भूल तो नहीं गए हमें।
Hello, good evening. How was your exam? तो कोल्ड ड्रिंक गलत पीते हैं. Hello, good evening. How was your exam? Yeah. Yeah, please. It's all right. Good evening. How was your exam? What's your name?
Ayush,
Ayush. How many questions you have attempted, Ayush?
144.
144. Which was the most difficult section you felt?
Physics,
Physics. How many you have attempted?
only 25.
25. Okay. Which was the easiest?
English or
English.
aptitude.
Okay. Aptitude. What all topics were there?
Reasoning or maths.
Reasoning.
और
Okay.
GK थे वो.
Okay. In physics, 11th was most of the part was from 11th.
हाँ, 11, 12,
Okay. So you have attempted 20,
25,
25, and overall, how many questions you have attempted?
144.
144. Okay. And what about the accuracy? What do you think that how many are correct?
100 or 120.
120. Okay. So you are sponsored with any company for now? Which company?
Messi or Tolani.
So you have already got the mail?
Yes.
Okay. Congratulations. I hope you get a very good rank. Yeah. What's your name?
My name is Karthik Sel.
Karthik. Okay. How many questions you have attempted, Karthik?
172.
172. Okay. Which was the most difficult section you felt?
No one.
No one? कोई difficult नहीं लगा आपको? What about physics? Most of the people are saying physics was very difficult. So no. How many you have
Moderate
attempted
थे.
in physics? Okay.
Physics में 43.
43 you have attempted. Okay. What about English? How was English?
English was good.
Okay.
3 was an attempt.
Okay. So you have attempted 172. Okay. So what about the accuracy? How you feel like कि कितने ठीक होंगे? As per your instinct. First time दिया आपने MCT?
150.
150
Around
will be correct.
150.
Okay, so I hope you'll get a rank in 3 digit. As of if you're saying अगर 150 correct है तो you surely you'll get a rank 3 digit rank.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, congratulations. Excuse me, how was your exam? Want to share your review? Exam, you want to share your review? It doesn't look like that it was good. Yeah, good evening. How was your exam? Yeah, you can have the mic.
हिंदी में बोल दो.
हाँ जी, हिंदी में बोलिए. पकड़िए माइक तो पकड़िए. What's your name?
मोहम्मद अनस.
मोहम्मद अनस. So अनस कितने अटेम्प्ट किए आपने?
सच बोलोगे झूठ?
जो आप बोलना चाहें.
152.
152 attempt किए. Okay. Which was the most difficult part you felt?
Physics.
Physics.
Definitely.
Okay. So physics में कितने attempt किए आपने?
Like 23, I guess.
23 attempt किए. Okay. What about English? English में कितने attempt किए?
English 37.
37. So you have attempted total 152.
2, yes.
Okay. So how much you feel like is correct?
I'm not sure about it.
But still somehow मतलब कुछ तो idea होगा. Some
50 to
around
80, I guess.
50 to 80, and you have attempted 152.
Yeah.
You are aware of negative marking.
Yeah.
It was your first time giving the
I
exam.
was just giving for fun.
Giving for fun. Okay. Okay. Thank you very much. Hello. Good evening. How was your exam? You want to share your review? Yeah. If you feel like you can share your review, you can have the mic. Have the mic. मिले हैं हम लोग पहले.
Yes,
शायद.
IMI में उसमें मिला IMI में है ना.
Okay. So.
So
What's your name?
My name is Neil.
How much you have attempted, Neil?
126.
126. Okay. So which part was the most difficult? What you felt?
Difficult for me तो it's chemistry.
Chemistry was difficult. What about physics?
मतलब moderate थी moderate.
Physics moderate.
Physics
Okay.
for
कितने
moderate.
attempt किया आपने physics में?
Physics में मेरे को याद नहीं है कितने attempt किए बट मैंने किए हैं.
So it was moderate according to you.
हाँ
तो कहाँ से आए थे questions in physics?
Physics में ज़्यादा तो 11th में से
11 में से आए थे. Thermodynamics and SHM. बाकी most of the people are saying कि physics was very difficult, but you are the first one saying that physics was easy.
moderate थी, easy नहीं थी मेरे लिए. हाँ.
Okay. So what about English? English कैसा था?
English तो easy थी.
English easy था.
हाँ.
You have attempted how much?
English में तो मेरे like 2 ही रहे हैं. हाँ 2 क्वेश्चन रहे हैं.
So total you have attempted 123.
126.
126. Okay. So what about the accuracy? कितने ठीक होंगे उसमें क्या लगता है आपको?
I'll 100 plus on.
100. Okay. So I think you'll get a rank somewhere around 5 to 8,000. It depends on the cutoff, but still.
हाँ.
What about the sponsorship? कोई कंपनी का sponsorship मिला आपको?
नहीं मेरा रिटर्न क्लियर नहीं होता. मैं फ्लीट में आया था एंड आपसे मिला भी था.
Okay.
हाँ.
Okay. Thank you very much. It was nice interacting with you.
ये भी पेपर दिए.
What's your name? Abhinav. Okay. How much questions you have attempted?
I attempted around 130 to 135.
135.
135.
Okay. What about the most difficult section which you have felt?
It was maths,
Okay.
then physics.
Okay.
Chemistry was very easy
Okay.
as compared to the previous year.
Okay.
And if we talk about GAT or English, English was manageable,
Okay.
and GAT was also good enough to score well.
Okay. What about aptitude? Aptitude mein what were the major topics? Decoding I've heard from on the in the first slot. It was more of decoding, coding, decoding. But
There,
analogy or
if I
something
have
was
to
there.
talk about the GAT portion,
Okay.
so there were less questions from numerical parts like
Okay.
coding, decoding, uh, then profit loss.
Okay.
There were less of these questions, but more of those like from general knowledge, like what is the dance
Yeah,
and
yeah,
those
yeah.
questions.
Okay.
So they were less from the numerical side and
Yeah.
more of the conceptual side.
Okay. You are saying more of the GK side are there.
GK side. Yes.
Okay. And English, how much you have attempted?
Around 38,
Okay. Total you have attempted around
135.
135. Okay. And how much you can say that how much are correct from them?
I around 110.
110.
Yes.
Okay. So 110, if I go as per the last year, the cutoff was somewhere around 45 or something. So your rank will be around 5,000. You are sponsored with any company for now?
No, I was actually going for BTech my engineering, so I didn't. But I will
Okay.
pay.
So if you get a good rank, so you can be sponsored from Tolani or Ganpat.
Thank you.
Yeah. All the very best. Thank you. What's your name?
My name is Yahya Khan.
Riya Khan. Okay. How much you have attempted?
I have attempted 123 questions.
123.
Yeah.
Which was the most difficult section you felt?
Yeah, I felt physics was little difficult, but eventually it was good.
Okay.
I was doing the questions.
What about English? How much you have attempted?
Yeah, actually English is a very easy subject, so I have attempted 48 questions.
Very
Yeah,
difficult.
physics it was little difficult, but
Okay.
eventually I attempted 35 questions.
Okay.
It was quite satisfying because I was thinking it will be not fine, but I think it is good enough for me.
Okay.
Yeah.
As in total, how much you have attempted?
In total, as I said, I have attempted 123 questions.
123 questions. Okay. So what do you think? How much are correct?
I think 110, maximum 110 is correct.
110 is correct.
Yeah.
Okay. So are you sponsored with any company for now?
No, I'm not sponsored, but I think I will be because
Okay.
I'm securing a very good rank. I think
Okay.
the way I wrote exam was quite.
So you are satisfied
Nice. Yes,
how you
yes,
wrote the
I'm
exam?
satisfied.
Okay. How much days you have prepared? Since how
Yeah.
long you are preparing actually?
See, I'm preparing since last 6 months.
Last 6 months.
Yeah.
Okay. So you deserve a good rank,
Yeah,
I
yeah,
believe. Yeah.
yeah.
So yeah, score around 110 is something you'll get a very decent rank. I
Yeah,
can
yeah,
say
I think
under 3,000
for
or
me
something.
that's a good rank because in six
For you,
months I am
what is the
not
good rank?
expecting under 500 will be a good
Under
rank for me.
500.
Yeah,
Okay. Under 500 is a bit difficult. What you're saying is 110 questions. It depends on the cutoff. Let's see.
yeah,
Hope for the best. All the
yeah,
very
yeah,
best.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.